even before the elections. The NASA, the Raila Odinga coalition, went to court several times, trying to stop the publication of the ballot papers. They lost that. They went to court a second time for another issue. I think they won some cases in court and they lost some. But when it came to the administration of the voting itself, the voting, a lot of people think, and the observers have said this, the voting went very well. And as you could see, there were long lines, there were no incidents in the actual voting. But NASA's main issue is that they allege, and this is the case that they have brought to court, that the IEBC computers were hacked in such a way that the numbers that came from the polling stations, they were transferred by online, are not the ones that the IEBC released as the results. So somewhere in between here lies the truth. And that's what NASA is trying to find out.
But when you have both local and international poll observers saying the elections were free, fair, and credible, doesn't that undercut the argument?
NASA doesn't argue with that. It doesn't argue with the fact that the elections were free, fair, They don't argue with that, the actual election process. They don't argue with that. What they're arguing with is what happened to the numbers when they came to the IEBC.